Program number 7. Write code to create a series of vowels. So what you will take? Vowels. So how you will create a series for vowels? First we have to import pandas. Then next line, take one variable to convert the series pandas dot series. Then what is the series bracket? Parenthesis. Inside of the parenthesis what will write? Vowels. Vowels. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels means more than one character. More than one character. So inside of the list we will write it. And A is a string data type. So that's why A will write inside of the parenthesis. Then again inside of the parenthesis E, then I, O, then U. If you want to write capital A, E, I, O, U also, then put it here comma, then add it. Now we have converted this one. Afterwards what we'll do? Print command. Call to the print command. Print S7. Okay. Run it. Okay. One more times what we can do? Here read the comment line. Now if I will write import pandas as PD. Okay. Next, these A, E, I, O, U I am storing different. So S equal to, I'll write within the quotation A, comma, E, comma, I, O, then within the quotation U. A, E, I, O, U. Done. Now what we'll do? S7, another variable, equal to, now here I have written pandas nickname. This is called alias, PD. Here I did not use it any alias, so that's why directly I call to the pandas. So now I will call PD. PD dot, we are converting to the series, PD dot series S. PD dot series S. Then print S7. Okay, run it. Same came. One more method we will see. What we'll do? This import pandas as PD, just I am copying here. Then this one I will do comment line. Now see, import pandas as PD. What will I do? S equal to, within the quotation I write A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Here that means what? It is one string A, E, I, O, U. It is not a different, because within the one quotation I have written. So whenever I have written within the one quotation and like this I will call, then what happened? You just see. only one word, so 0 index. So how we will be write like this? Think it. Now I will write this string, I will convert it as a list. Now check it the result. Okay, see this one or this one, see. So that means what happened, any method you can use it. This is also correct, second method is also correct, third method is also correct. So I called as a string, then afterwards this string I convert it as a list. So whenever we will convert as a list, then what happened, every character will separate it. Okay, so this is the program number 7.